Lost without a compass? Don't worry. Nature provides everything you need to find your way. In this guide, I'll show you simple, practical methods to navigate and regain your sense of direction. Start with the sun. It rises in the east and sets in the west. In the morning, face the sun for east, and in the evening, it's west. For a more precise method, try this. Place a stick upright in the ground. Mark the tip of its shadow. Wait 15 minutes and mark it again. Draw a line between the marks. That's your east-west guide. At night, look up. In the northern hemisphere, find the Big Dipper. Trace a line through the two stars at the edge of its bowl, and you'll find the North Star. In the southern hemisphere, locate the Southern Cross. Extend its longer axis downward to point south. Nature leaves clues. Moss tends to grow thicker on the shaded side of trees, usually north in the northern hemisphere. Rivers, on the other hand, always flow downhill and can lead you to larger water bodies or human settlements. Animals can guide you. Birds often fly toward water in the mornings and evenings. Trails used by animals may also lead to water or open areas. If you have a metal needle, you can magnetize it by rubbing it on silk or hair. Float it on a leaf in still water and it will align north-south. Finding your way without a compass is all about observation and using natural clues. Stay calm, combine these methods, and you'll find your way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more survival tips here on Survival Mode.